Now, picture the vibrant streets of India in early autumn, alive with color, music, and devotion, as millions gather to celebrate Durga Puja, one of the country's grandest festivals. This special event, held in honor of Goddess Durga, spans over several days in October, filling cities and towns with joy and reverence. Large, beautifully crafted statues of Goddess Durga, armed with 10 weapons, are displayed in elaborately decorated pavilions, known as pandals. Families visit these pandals to offer prayers, admire the artistry, and take part in the festivities. The streets are alive with music, dance, and the sound of drums, creating an atmosphere of both celebration and spiritual devotion. Durga Puja is not just about religious rituals. It's also a time for social gatherings, feasting, and cultural performances. Friends and families come together to enjoy delicious sweets, street food, and to take part in traditional dances. The spirit of unity and community is felt everywhere, as people rejoice in both the triumph of good over evil and the beauty of shared traditions. On the final day, known as Vijaya Dashami, the statues of Goddess Durga are taken in grand processions to be immersed in rivers or lakes, symbolizing her return to the heavens. The sight of the goddess floating away brings a mix of emotions, sadness that the festival is over, but also hope for the future. Durga Puja is a time of devotion, art, and togetherness, celebrating the strength of the divine and the bonds of community.